Hello, my full name is Garcia Jonathan. I am 17 years old. I'm born in Maturin and I live in Los Guaritos. My family consists of my mother, my grandmother, my sister, and me. My mother's name is Maria. My grandmother's name is Reina, and my sister's name is Maria Fernanda. I am studying petroleum engineer, and I'm in the first half. I really like living with my family, but I don't like living alone or away from my family. I have high expectation on this topic because I think the virtual classroom is a great tool for learning English, and I think by the end of semester I will be much more competent in this area. In my free time, I like to read the Word of God. It's the best part of me. It's my rock and support and all my strength. See you later.